The FPV drone world is heating up again, and DJI is right at the center of it. New leaks are revealing something massive. Not just the Dji Avata 3, but possibly a completely new direction called Avata 360. And trust me, the upgrades we're seeing are next level. From a bigger 1-inch camera sensor for true cinematic shots, to 4K 120 FPS recording, longer 30-plus minute flight times, and insane speed improvements, this could be DJI's most powerful Cine FPV drone yet. Leaks suggest DJI might also be developing a full 360-degree immersive capture model, something that could change how we shoot FPV and VR content forever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The drone enthusiast world is once again abuzz with speculation, rumors, and tantalizing leaks as DJI appears to be preparing two very different yet equally exciting next-generation releases in its FPV and immersive capture ecosystem. The much-anticipated DJI Avata 3, and a possible variant or new direction dubbed Avata 360. As we peer into the scattered clues, leaked images, forum chatter, and early filings, a clearer picture emerges of what DJI might be planning, though with all leaks, a healthy dose of skepticism remains essential. In this video, we explore what we know so far: the design changes, camera upgrades, flight and performance enhancements, the ecosystem and accessories, how these models compare to previous generations, the competitive landscape, launch timelines, pricing expectations, and what it all means for drone creators, cinematographers, FPV enthusiasts, and the broader market. DJI's Avata series has carved out a strong foothold in the Cinewhoop/FPV hybrid space. Drones designed for immersive, maneuverable flight with cinematic-quality video capture, rather than purely long-range or industrial uses. The previous model, the Avata or Avata 2, represented that shift. Now, with the Avata 3, and possibly an Avata 360 variant, DJI seems poised to push into more professional-grade imaging, higher speeds and smarter flight systems, and enhanced accessory integration, potentially catering both to serious content creators and advanced hobbyists. According to various leaks, DJI may be preparing to raise the bar on sensor size, video frame rates, flight endurance, safety features, and immersive FPV experience. For example, one speculation suggests a 1-inch CMOS sensor upgrade, a major bump from prior models. Leaks also point to 4K at 120 frames per second capability, speeds up to 140 km/h, and 30-plus minute flight times. The reasoning is clear. By offering a more cinematic and capable FPV drone, DJI can capture more of the creator market, while also tempting professionals who previously looked to more expensive rigs. Leaked images and prototype sightings suggest that the Avata 3 retains the general Cinewhoop/duct propeller style of its predecessors, compact, agile, with built-in propeller guards and immersive FPV goggles compatibility. However, subtle yet significant design changes are hinted. The camera module appears larger, battery placement may shift to accommodate the new camera assembly, and the propellers may move to a 4-blade design instead of the 3 blades used in earlier models. According to one article, drone sightings show a larger front-facing camera unit, a battery shifted further back, and a 4-blade propeller system. The implication is that DJI is optimizing not just imaging but also flight aerodynamics and internal layout to support higher performance. One of the most talked upgrades is the rumored 1-inch CMOS